All right, on number 4, regression through trend analysis. You must be able to take a regression formula and I want to forecast period 12. So what do I do? All right, that would be a simple trend forecast. But then let's assume that I have seasonality by quarter. Okay. Assume that's the seasonal indices by quarter. Quarter 1 is 0.8, 0.9, 1.1, 1.2. So my point estimate forecast just done, a base, non-seasonal situation would have been 40. But assume now I say this is a seasonal situation. What would the seasonalized forecast be? Well, now I have to do a little bit of work. I'm looking at forecasting period 12, right? So now, so these are Qs in year 1, right? Year 2 and year 3. So what's the 12th period? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The 12th period happens to be in quarter 4, right? So what's the quarter 4 indice? 1.2. So what am I going to do with my answer at 40? Times 1.2. 48, I think. And that would be the seasonal forecast. And as a multiple guess situation, you can pretty be assured that 40 and 48 would both be answers, right? So make sure you understand how to do it. Make sure if you see a regression output, you remember how to test it with value. It has to have reasonably high R squared. The F significance and the T significance must be there, right? If not, we don't have a valid regression. We don't have valid. All right. Time series decomposition. Remember, this is taking our root data, using a central moving average to get the SI factor, seasonally regular factor. Then average each season to get rid of the irregular factor using the sweep. Right? And I'm left with the seasonal factors, which is kind of what I did over there for the quarters. We will not have to conduct a deseasonalized forecast, but there will be components, and then there will be questions about the components. So, in other words, make sure you understand the process, what it's doing. You don't have to do that. Okay. Having said all of that, are there any questions? There's 5. In other words, 205 questions out of I think there's 34 questions. 200 would be a question. I didn't know if anybody's There's not. It's about
34.
Yeah, basically, I think I went over this before. I can't remember that. We're doing it in all the classes, right? But the university has something called Quality Enhancement Plan or Program, QEP. You may have read about it in the newspaper where they're going to change all the curriculum in 2014. So every there's 9 core classes, and one of them is going to be this quantitative reasoning, where if you're an art major or an anthropology or chemistry, whatever, you have to take this core course, just like you have to take American government and language and all that other stuff. So we're testing to see how valid some of these questions are. So we're using you as a testing group. Because allegedly all the fine scholars in the class here should know something about stats 1. Because we tried to do this in some of the humanities places, and it was a big test. So now we're testing in somebody that's pie chart before. Don't panic, but really one of the questions is, I'll just preview this, it's probably cheating and kind of throwing away the deal here, okay? So let's say, all right, which company has the most sales? So, I can't tell the answer. But some of our friends in the art department. Any other questions? Recall that the first test didn't go as well as we wanted. The second test will definitely improve, right? So try and figure out what you did differently in preparation for the second test and keep that plan, right? Some of us did worse on the second test, so don't. Any other questions? Yes, or parse or whatever you want. It's basically the same game as last time. I think I've got 3 colors this time instead of 4. Okay. I will be on campus on Tuesday of next week. If you want to see me then. Remember, we have our plan at 10:30 in the morning. The exam window, you can take the test anytime you want. So if you show up at 11 or 11:30, whatever, that's fine, but everybody stops. So if you wake up late or whatever, still come, get plenty of time. If you've changed your final, which some of us have, that's fine. Make certain that you know that wherever you changed it to, you have to find out where that class is at. In other words, it's not still here. So if you've changed an alternative date and time, it's some other part.
Is your test in here?
But
Your final.
the final for this class is right here in this class.
That's on the page. It's simply
Correct. Yeah, that's the general policy. Wherever your class is at, that's where the final's at. But if you switch to somewhere else, you have to switch to that class. Okay, I'll stay around for a little while if you have individual questions. If not, everything tested.